Hey there, let's talk a little bit about adding vectors graphically. This is going to be necessary when we are determining the net force, and it's actually pretty simple. So let's take a look. Let's say we had I don't know, a vector like this and a vector like so. We wanted to add them to get the resultant vector. So what we'll use is we're going to use, let's call this A and we'll call this one B, vector B. If we wanted to add these together, so if we wanted to do vector A plus vector B and get the resultant vector, what we're going to do is we're going to do the tail to head method. So we're going to redraw this. So if I took B and I put the tail of B at the head of A, and then this goes down 2 over 2, so down 2 over 2, we would get this. This is B. This is vector B. So now what I can see is that A plus B is the resultant, which goes from the tail to the head right here. So this vector is A plus B. And that's it. So head to tail, it's called the head to tail method. So head to tail. And that's it. That's an easy way to add vectors graphically. Draw a couple more on here. We'll do another example. So let's say we had a vector like so, and we have another one coming back this way. So we have A and B. What we can do is we just redraw it. So let me try blue this time. So I want to slide B over here so that the tail is at the head, and it goes over 1, 2, 3, and up 3. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, up 3. So right here. So here's my B. Oops. We just draw it on there, and then the result is going to be this vector right here from the original to the very end. So this is A plus B. And the question now, question is, does this equal this? In other words, does the transitive or the commutative property, apply to vectors? So here I did A plus B. So let's do B plus A and we'll see. So if I redraw A goes over 1, 2, 3, and up 2. So 1, 2, 3, up 2, and you'll see, yes, it does. So vectors do commute. The commutative property holds. It doesn't matter the order in which you add them. I guess we'll do one more example. What if we had 3? So say I had a vector here, a vector here, and a vector, say here. How would I redraw those? So let's say this is A, B, and C. These are all vectors. So we just draw them all. So we'll do A plus B plus C. So I already have A, so we just need to move B up. So B goes down 1, 2 over 2. So down 2 over 2. So from here to here, that's B. And now I'll redraw C. So C goes down 2 over 3. So from here, down 2 over 1, 2, 3 to here. So what I have is I have A plus B plus C. So from the original point, use a different color, from the original point down to my resultant. So this green vector is a plus b plus c. And that's it. That's how we can add vectors graphically.